Hey, Sam here with Vive Health, and today we're going to go over our Arctic Flex Gel Cold Pack that can go hot and cold. You can put it in the freezer for up to 2 hours. It's going to stay colder longer than any ice pack in the industry by 4 minutes. It's super flexible when cold. You can apply it directly to the skin, or you can put a light towel or a t-shirt underneath. It's a non-latex vinyl cover. Like I said, it can go hot as well. So if you want heat therapy, you could throw this in the microwave for 15 to 20 seconds at a time to get it up to the level of heat that you want or need it to be at. But like I said, it's super flexible when cold, a non-latex vinyl cover. It's gel on the inside. This comes in 3 different sizes. We have a 6x10, which is what I have in my hand here right now. We've got 11x14, and we also have a neck ice pack that is about 22 to 23 inches long that'll wrap around the back side of your neck there and provide cold or heat to the back part of your neck. And that's our Arctic Flex Gel Cold Pack.